Hi, guys. So, Kyung here, and I'm with my sister, Annie.
Hi.
Exciting. And what are we doing, Annie? What are we doing?
We are inviting you to a Christmas party.
Woo! A Christmas
Yay!
party. And so, what day is it going to be
It's
on?
going to be on December 22nd.
Oh, yeah. And what time? Well, we don't really have a time, so it's going to start in the morning. All right, and it's going to last throughout the afternoon, all the way through to the late afternoon. Maybe
It's a,
late. Okay, yeah.
it's an all-day
event. Okay, and what are we going to do? What are the things we're going to do?
We are going
know?
to be crafting.
We're going to be crafting. Oh, I'm going to be baking.
Baking. I know we're going to be painting.
Painting. Ooh, I know we're going to make an ornament.
Ooh, yeah, for sure.
Make an ornament.
Oh, we're having a puzzle off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're making tags.
Ooh, tags,
Right? Make
right?
tags. Oh, we're having all kinds of things. We're just
Right, just so many things.
Oh, we're
Even
gonna do
more.
we're gonna do tie-dye.
Yes, tie-dyeing.
It's just gonna be a party.
It's such a party.
Party.
Draw a tree.
Yay, a tree. Oh, I love your tree. I'll draw a little tree too. Here's my little tree. Ta-da!
Yay.
So anyway, it'll be on the 22nd. This one right here, this big number, the 22nd. And it'll be kind of, all day. It'll be an all-day thing. And I hope to see you guys pop in and
Yay.
pop out or whatever. You don't have to like stay the whole time. It's just
No,
going to
of course
be,
not. It's just
that's why I'm running it all day.
Partying.
Yeah, so you could pop in, pop out, say hi, whatever. I would love to see you guys, and we're going to have lots of fun. So I hope to see you then. In the meantime, have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
See you there. Yay.